संसद के शीतकालीन सत्र का आज 13वां दिन है और ऐसे में लोकसभा राज्यसभा की कार्यवाही शुरू हो चुकी है। सीधे रुख करते हैं लोकसभा का, जहां पर
in Kerala the whole development is roadside development. One side school, one side colleges, a residential area is there. So everyone is demanding for underpass. If suppose we are going to implement, we have to make the road of underpass, and that is to be a big problem. So somewhere when there the road connectivity is there, we can make it. Somewhere because of the education institution also we consider. Even many of the member of parliament from Kerala many times come to me, and that is not up to the criteria also we sanction that. But regarding this issue, I will call honorable member. Again, I will go through all the problems which already he present here, and I will try to find out the way out positively, that how it can be helpful for him. Thank you.
Honorable Supplementary.
Sir, there is yet another long pending public demand for an alternative road to existing Thamarasheri Get Road, connecting Wayanad and Kozhikode district. Sir, it's part of National Highway 766, Kozhikode-Kollagan.
Okay.
Sir, there is a proposal that has been proposed since 1993, sir. A Padinyaratara Purithod for a greenfield highway. It's a matter of just 8 kilometers land, sir. If the central government can involve and settle this issue, this will be great blessing for an alternative road to the Gut Road, where landslides, landslips during monsoons are a common practice. And even the narrow width of the road is creating havoc in traffic, sir.
Okay.
This is a much demanded and much awaited proposal. This Padinyaratara Purithod road, if you can start an inquiry and investigation on this, this will be much helpful for the people, sir.
Honorable sir, this is the question is only related with the port connectivity highway corridor in Kerala. It is neither refer directly or indirectly to any other project, but this alignment is being figurized. It is to be still in the process. Again, when I have a meeting with him, I don't know the details about it, but at that time we will discuss. And I always positive about the considering the convenience of the people by and large. I will try to find out the option and try to help.
Sri E.B. Idanji.
Sir, thank you, sir. Sir, as the Honorable Minister have mentioned, the question is extremely related to the National Highway 966. As you already know, you were the.
ऐसे में दोनों सदनों की कार्यवाही जारी है। लोकसभा और राज्यसभा दोनों सदनें जो हैं वो स्मूथली चल रही हैं। अभी हंगामे के आसार नजर नहीं आ रहे। संसद के शीतकालीन सत्र का आज 13वां दिन है और ऐसे में रुख करना चाहेंगे राज्यसभा का।
आपने प्रपोज किया है, which is connecting the Nattur Junction, Vaitila, Arur.
राज्यसभा में अर्जुन राम मेघवाल क्या कुछ कह रहे हैं, आपको सुनवाते हैं।
So will this be a major
Naik.
I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper mentioning is my name at serial number 2 of today's revised list of business.
Dr. Chandrasekhar Pemasani.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 5 in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Susri Sobha Karandlaje.
चेयरमैन सर, मैं आपके अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने क्रम संख्या 6 पर उल्लेखित दस्तावेज सदन पर पटल पर रखती हूँ।
सत्र का आज 13वां दिन है और दोनों सदनों की कार्यवाही फिलहाल जारी है और दोनों सदनों की कार्यवाही स्मूथली चल रही है। अभी कुछ हंगामे के आसार नजर नहीं आ रहे।